My beloved brothers and sisters, I want you to listen to what I'm saying now because the time is clicking. Remember what I said, and you provoked me and you called me names. From next month, you must be very aware, very, very aware in the streets, in the roads. This time, the idea is to force you to go home willingly. You will be forced to go home willingly. They will visit all your restaurants and they will threaten your bosses that if they keep on employing Zimbabweans without documents, the boss will pay a fine of 50,000 to 20,000 per head. So, I'm laughing because I'm in pain, because the people that I want to save are waiting for this day to come. That's why you see it is difficult for Zimbabweans to be given papers in South Africa. That's why I say to you, let us come together and put a patriotism mentality of saying, South Africa has helped us. Let's go home now. Because when you get arrested, they will take you to prison and they will not deport you. Your family has to organize money to take you back to Zimbabwe. And they will ask your family to take you through aeroplane, not by bus, because they know that you are not going to go home. Because the government has spent most millions for the past years deporting people and people coming back, they have a new idea of yourself and your family deporting yourself. The conditions that they will put you in prison will force you to look for the money. So, be aware, my brothers and sisters. Be aware. And I don't know how to say this, but for those who are interested to come, let's join hands. We've got a plan on how do we prepare ourselves in South Africa and have papers that might prolong our staying here for a few months while we are preparing to go home. For it's almost 1 year and some months now left. Those who are interested, join, contact me. My number is I'm going to write it down there, and I will send you the link of the groups, and then we'll go through a program of preparing you to think and know and understand what is it that we want. Because so far we are grouping people in cooperatives groups. We want to go and create jobs for ourselves in Zimbabwe so that we don't come back. I know it's difficult for you guys to understand this, but soon you won't be going around from your home. They will not chase you from your house. The landlord will look for money from you, that money you will not have, because they are going to threaten all your employees by the law of South Africa, and they are going to stand in the roads asking you only to put your finger on a machine, not for documents, because they are bringing what we call biometric machines. They will not ask who you are. They don't ask even your name. They will ask only for your fingerprint to put it there. And that fingerprint will automatically show all your information, because they are tired of people who claim they've left their document at home and they're like this and this and this and lying. So, because of the law, they cannot chase us home, because they will be called they are xenophobic, or they are racists, or they are tribalists. So they will find a way to exclude us from their system. And when they use this system, it will automatically make every person be excluded and easily get arrested, because they will not catch people in numbers. They will catch people 1122, 1122, until within a period of 1 year, if this program continuously like this, people will volunteer to go home. But now, my problem is when you want to go home now by force, you are going to suffer because you don't have any money, you don't have a when to stay. That's why we say, let's come together and run programs that will be given an opportunity to live a little bit in South Africa while we are preparing and going home to start businesses in Zimbabwe, to start cooperatives that has to do with farming, with mining and other industries that may be a source of our income and serving our nation as Zimbabweans. Thank you guys for listening. I hope this is going to mean a lot for some people. So far, a number and a multitude of people who are following are coming. We are connecting. We are doing great jobs. We are actually having plans and we are already moving. We are a registered NPO now, and we have got a lot of good people are coming. Thank you guys for your support, and I believe and understand that whoever is listening will come. I don't know, maybe today or tomorrow, or you wait for a brother or yourself to go to prison, but we will be waiting for everyone to come and join hands with us. May God bless Zimbabwe. Thank you.